Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll be showing you how to replace the intake air filter in your Proton Saga MC2. So like all sagas, even the previous generation BRM Saga, the air filter will be right here. So before we begin with this, please check with your service advisor at your local Proton center that you send your car to ensure that doing this won't void the warranty, because depending from which service centers, they will either allow or won't allow this. So this is talking from friends that do work in Proton and other experienced Proton mechanics. So mine says okay to do it myself, so if yours is also allowed to, so you can continue this video. So first things first, on this filter there's 4 latches in total, 2 on the front, 2 at the back. So let me just show you 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then gently open it up, and here's your oil filter. So it's generally recommended to replace this every 20,000 kilometers, but mine looks in good nick. But let's compare it to the new one first. So same like the cabin air filter, the parts number will be right here, PW911458. So make sure you get a genuine one, PW911458, and take it out. And it also comes in the plastic bag. Okay, so once you open the plastic bag, as you can see, yeah, I think it's good to change at 20,000. You can see the difference, white, almost black. So take this chance to see is it the correct filter, the same size, is it the same size, is it the same size, is it the same width, it's the same width, and of course is it the same part number, PW911458, PW911458. So let's just put this in the car then. So we're back here again. So basically just put it back in, slide in the new air filter, intake air filter, and make sure you clamp everything back. Remember the back there's 2 latches. Okay, is that better? Yep. Okay, latch the back 2 and latch the back front, and you're good to go. That's how you change the intake air filter. Meanwhile, I'm gonna take this chance to change my Vios air filter also.